everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Anati, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what is on my iPhone 12 Pro. So if you watched my last video, which was my weekly vlog, you would have known that I did get a new phone, which is the iPhone 12 Pro. So I did think it was time to do an updated version to show you guys what's on my phone and apps that I use as like a content creator, things like that. But before we get into today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, because we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Follow all my socials, I will link them down below. Let's get on straight into the video. Okay, so like I said, I have the iPhone 12 Pro. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. I love this phone. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I have the iPhone 12 Pro in the color graphite. It's kind of like darker in person. It kind of looks lighter on camera, but I have it in 128 gigabytes, and yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. So, you know, but yeah, I am going to place my screen recording probably here so I can show you guys what's on my iPhone, because you guys are nosy, and you know, I think I have quite an interesting and cute looking phone setup. So yeah, so let's start with my home screen. This is what my home screen looks like. I think my home screen is cute. It's just a photo of me. People sometimes are like, oh, like if you have a photo of yourself as your lock screen, like you're conceited or whatever, like, oh, like that's like but it's like, why not? Like, if you have a photo and you look cute in it, girl, put it as your lock screen. Like, why would you not want to see your beautiful face every day? Like, you know, yeah. So I have myself. I think this is a very cute photo of me, and then obviously I have the date over there, and I think that's when the sun's gonna set and the time. And then I have this cute little heart, which is a widget that comes with Color Widget, which is an app that I'll get into later. And then just my phone battery. I think it's just a cute icon. I know I have the battery there, but I just think it's a cute icon. Down here at the bottom, obviously my phone is on DND because I'm one of those people. Okay, I just am. Okay, yeah, I am. So let's get into my actual phone. The first page I'm going to show you guys is like this kind of widget page, you know, but here I have just at the top, I have just this, I think it like selects photos and stuff like that, just randomly. So I have this cute photo of me. I look cute in it. Then I have my battery percentage. Literally have that everywhere, but I gotta know. And then I have this Pinterest widget that I set that like selects any photos that are in my Pinterest home feed currently. So I think that's really cute. Then I have my screen time over here. I haven't spent that long on TikTok. Like, actually, I think I probably left my phone on TikTok because I haven't really used my phone much today. I've just been watching a new show on Netflix, so yeah. And then I have a Bible verse of the day, period. And yeah, that's it for this side. Then I just have an empty page here. I generally don't know how to get rid of that, so yeah. Then this is like my main kind of page. I think it's really cute. I love it. At the top I have a color widget. Once again, color widget is just an app that you can download for free, and it just gives you like widgets like that. That's mainly what I use it for anyway, and obviously the heart that I showed you before. But it's so cute. Like, I love it. It's obviously got the time, day of the week, and the date. That is there just for like looking cute purposes. It's not really there for me to look at, if I'm being honest. And I obviously have that in pink. As you can see, my theme is kind of black and pink because I love pink, but I don't want too much pink, and I just want it, I like the contrast between black and pink. I just think it looks really cute. Yeah. And then right here I have a widget by Widgetsmith, which is another app that I use for my widgets. It just says that girl because I'm that girl, you know. So yeah, just a reminder, like, just to remind myself, like, I'm actually that girl. Like, it doesn't, like, that's a summary. And then over here I have a socials folder, which YouTube isn't really a social media app, but it's there. Okay, so obviously I have YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. Okay, yeah, I have YouTube, which I watch YouTube all the time. Then I have Pinterest, which once again, I love Pinterest. Let me show you guys my home feed. This is what my home feed is looking like. Pinterest every day. Like, I love this app, okay? It's just the best. Like, look at that. Yeah. And then I have my Instagram, which go follow my Instagram, onati.yt. I don't really post like that, but I post on my story quite a lot. But you know, I have a cute feed or whatever, so go follow. And then my Spotify, which I love music, okay? I'm always listening to music. Yep, it's my thing, okay? How can I show you guys my Spotify like thingy? It's onati.yt because yeah, cute. Then I have my TikTok. Go follow my TikTok, it's so cute. And I changed my profile picture to this because I think it's genuinely a really cute picture. And I screenshotted that last TikTok that I just have over there. So yeah. And then I have and then I have my Snapchat, which I don't really use Snapchat like that. I look really cute. I don't really use Snapchat like that, but I post on my story here and there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it for my socials folder. And then I have this folder that's just a heart with folders that I name as like emojis. I just don't know what to name them. It's just random things. Really like to set my apps out in folders because I just feel like it's a lot more clean, and I don't know, I just like the way it looks. So yeah, I have WhatsApp, which I don't really use WhatsApp like that, if I'm being honest. I only use WhatsApp when people text me on there. Even then I don't really use it because I'm bad at replying on WhatsApp anyway, because I don't use the app like at all. So yeah, don't text me on WhatsApp. And then I have messages, which I use messages a lot more than WhatsApp because I don't know, I just like it more. FaceTime, Safari, Health, these are kind of like Apple default. Then I have a folder which is just a full stop because once again I did not know where to put it or where to place all these apps. Obviously first I have App Store, which App Store's App Store, babe. Okay, don't ask me what App Store is. Mail, which I use Gmail more, but and then I have weather, self-explanatory apps really, I don't really have to explain it. Google Photos because I like to back up my photos because I like to keep my camera roll clean, and it's really good for backing up your photos. Also, this is the second time I filmed this video. Yeah, let's not talk about that. But then I obviously have color widgets, which is how I get my widgets. You can see that widget at the top, and then the little heart that I have, so cute. And yeah, it's a really cute app. Obviously I'm not going to pay for the premium because I already have what I want, like, no. And then I have reminders, which I don't really use. Widgetsmith, which is what I use to make the widget that I showed you guys. Tips, it's just an app that comes with the phone. Google Rewards, I actually made like £2 off of that. It's just like a survey app where you just answer questions, and I just think it's cute. And if I can make £2, why not? Like, yeah. Voice memos, settings, and calendar. Okay, one thing about me, you guys, I don't like when I have like, do you see like that one over there in that folder, like notifications? Like, I hate it. But this is like for me to update my iOS, and I don't want to do it now, so it's just gonna stay there. And then that one's for my messages, but I just don't like the way it looks. I just want my phone to be clean, but maybe that's just me being a bit weird. But then I have my like godly time. I have an app called Glorify, which is an app where you can do like daily devotionals and things, and I haven't used this in so long, so I don't know why I still have it, but yeah. And then I have my Bible app, which cute, very cute, very cute. Then I have my YouTube folder, which is probably my most used folder if I'm being honest. First I have Fonto, which is an app that I use to make my thumbnails. And then I have Subcount, which is an app that shows my sub count. Let me show y'all. So we're at 9,120 subscribers. I don't know why that took me so long to say, but there you go. YouTube Tracker, which is an app that I used when I was like on the road to monetization. I'll definitely recommend it if you're like down that road. But yeah, it was a really good app and it helped me quite a lot, but I don't use it as much anymore. Then I have Pixar, which I use it sometimes to like erase backgrounds when I'm doing like hauls and things, and it helps me erase backgrounds of like for thumbnails. Yeah. And then I have Canva, which is once again an app that I use to make my thumbnails. I use Canva and Fonto to make my thumbnails, so yeah. And then I have Files, which I think the reason why I have it there is because that's where I transport my music from. So I have a subscription with Thematic, which is what helps me to get my music. Then I have LensBuddy, which is a really good app for like taking burst photos. So like it takes like a lot of photos at once, so you don't have to keep like pressing your phone. You get what I mean? It's a really good app, but I haven't posted on Instagram in ages, and that's really what I use it for, or when I'm taking thumbnail pictures as well, for like hauls. Then I have YouTube Studio, which is a really great app. I would recommend getting this if you don't already have it and you're like a YouTuber. Definitely get this. Like, what are you doing if you don't have it? Okay. Then I have Eraser, which I think is self-explanatory. It's like it erases like the backgrounds of things that I want to be PNG images, which basically have no solid background. Then I have Gmail, which is what I use to contact brands and how brands reach out to me and things. And then I have Camera Connect, which is what I use to transfer footage from my camera to my phone to edit. Then I have Vilo, which is my editing app. Love Vilo, okay, like I genuinely do. It's what I've used for so long and I love it. And then I have CapCut, which is also my editing app, but I don't really use it as much as Vilo. I use CapCut mainly for like more like effects kind of editing, just to make my videos look a lot more cuter. But Vilo is my main editing software. Then I have Magic Links, which is an app that I use to do affiliate links. I get from Magic Links and link to my videos, so when someone clicks on it and they buy a product, I make a commission of what they paid. But yeah. And then I have this folder, which is just a star. Once again, I told you guys, if it has an emoji, I don't know. Okay. I have maps, photos, camera, notes. Love my notes app. Wallet, basically. Yeah, cute, whatever. Then I have a folder which is just a pound sign, basically money. Okay, all these apps either take my money or store my money, or yeah, money. I have my Barclays app, which is my banking app. I have Vinted, which is like Depop, like they're literally the same thing almost, but Vinted I think is only for Europe. Depop, I have not used Depop, like never. Then I have Monzo, which is my banking app once again. And then Shein, which I don't really use Shein like that. Like I haven't used it in like ages, so I don't know why it's still on there, but it's on there. I have PLT, which PLT Q, I have so many like liked things like on my wish list. So yeah, I love PLT. Yeah. Then I have Temu, which, you know when like everyone was like obsessed with Temu, and then I got it and I just never deleted it. Yeah. And then Amazon, you guys know I love Amazon. Okay, I'm an Amazon ambassador, literally though. I have Notion. It's in its own space because Notion is just an app I use for literally everything. I love my Notion. I've never done a Notion tour before, which is quite odd. This is my Notion. I love it. Like, then we have my Spotify widget right there, which is my playlist. Okay, R&B and soul and rap and a bit of rap, more R&B and soul though. Music, love, like this is like my music taste. I have different like music tastes. Like I don't have like one, but like I have one, like okay. Then I have this widget, this large widget right here by Widget Smith. It's just a tweet that says
2023 is giving less social media, more travel, more money, more faith and peace, and the mindset plus discipline to handle all that God has in store for me.
Facts. Okay. Then I have this folder, which is just me running. Slay. I have Pure Gym, which is my gym app. I and then my Apple Fitness app, yeah. Then I have this app, which once again, this folder, sorry. I have my contacts, calculator, phone, flow over clue any day, okay? The girls that get it, like, if you don't, you don't. It's fine, it's fine. But flow over clue. Okay, clock app, which clock, alarms, babe. Then Live 360, which is like an app that you can use like track like your family members and things, and you could have like your whole family on there. But yeah, Student Beans, which is just an app that I have to get like student discounts because I'm a college girl. Like, I'm not yet, but in September I will be, so I'm just getting prepared, babe. Okay, I'm getting on my Zoom. Then I have once again an emoji, but this emoji this time actually makes sense because it's a TV and all these apps are like entertainment. So Netflix, okay, I love Netflix. I'm currently watching this show called Painkiller. I think it's about like a true story and things. I think it's really interesting to watch. And then I have Vogue Runway. If you guys don't know, like, I'm obsessed with runways and fashion and all of that. Like, that's my jam. So yeah, I just have this just so I can see like recent shows. And then I have like my fave looks from different shows and things like that. I love it. And then I have Prime Video, which I have it on there because I've been watching The Summer I Turned Pretty. I just finished it. Also, comment if you watch The Summer I Turned Pretty, comment down below if you're team Jeremiah or team Conrad. If you're team Conrad, click off this video. Thank you. I love you though. But yeah, comment down below. Okay, and then next page, rest of the day at the top once again. Then I have this folder called Gilmore Girl because it's just giving smart, it's giving reading. I have the books app, and then I have Goodreads, which I have not used that app in so long, okay? But it's just an app that you can like, where you can track the books that you've read and things like that, and books that you want to read. These are my want to read books. But yeah, love that. Then I have another folder called LEDs. iStrip Plus is for my sunset lamp, but I haven't used that in so long, so I don't really use that app anymore. Then I have Lotus Lantern. I think she needs to go back to school, if I'm being honest. I think it's getting to her a bit because, yeah. And then right here I have a Pinterest widget, which changes, I think hourly it changes, just like the widget I showed you at the very start of the video. It's like it picks from my board that I put it on. So obviously the user is me, and then I have different, you can choose like different boards that you want it to pick from. I obviously chose Fits because I love fashion, and I think that's a really cute outfit. Actually, that is such a cute outfit. She slayed that. Then I have Notion, which I have a Notion widget mainly because I think it just reminds me to get on there and get on my Zoom and plan content and things like that, which is why it says content creation. Yeah guys, that is it for my what's on my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you guys in any sort of way, or you were just nosy to see what's on my phone. Girl, I get it, okay? If you watched till the end, comment down below, hair is eating, because it is. Like, yeah guys, I just love it. I'm gonna leave you. Love you and leave you, okay? Mwah.
Mask on, fuck your mask on, Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase